So welcome to Thursday Thought. We've had a number of requests from the Machine Monday videos on how we go about making the machines that we show in Machine Monday. So that's what today's video is about. So I want to start in the sales and concepting department. So this is the team of people that engage with customers initially and decide what the concept of the machines are going to be. Does it satisfy our customer requirements? Next step, the design office. So following on from the sales and concepting department, we're now in our design office where we design both mechanically and electrically. And what we do here is we go into the details and the nitty-gritty of the machine and release a set of drawings to our manufacturing department that can actually manufacture the machines. So we're now in our processing department, and this is where we take the over 2,500 to 3,000 drawings that are released from design to the processing department. And this is the team of people that decide what gets manufactured inside Jendamark and what gets manufactured outside. And we have a pretty comprehensive tracking system that tracks every single nut and bolt that is released from design through our purchasing process and then back down to the assembly floor. So I'm now in our machine shop, and we've got two parts to our machine shop. We've got the conventional side or manual machines, as you can see behind me, and we have a CNC division where we have a number of CNC milling machines, turning machines, and CNC wire cutters. So we're standing in front of our assembly hall where after processing and manufacture, we start to put the machines together, as you can see, both mechanically and electrically. From here, after the QA checks, we'll move over to the commissioning hall where we put the machines together into big production lines. We're now in our QA department where we do checking of a number of the components we manufacture out of our machine shop, and we also check a number of the components we produce on our production line. So behind me, we've got a 3D laser scanner from GOM, we've got a number of Faro machines, and as you can see, a Trimos measuring machine as well. So we're now in our purchasing department where the design office would have released a bill of materials, and this is the department that typically buys shoes and handbags. Oh no, sorry, sensors and machines. So we're now in our finance department, and they're responsible for keeping us on our toes. So we're in our HR department, and they're responsible for supporting the people behind Machine Monday. So now we end up here in our commissioning hall where we put the machines down, wire them up together, attach them to the conveyor systems, trial off parts for our customer, get customer sign off, and most importantly, get them ready for Machine Monday.